Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to hollandfloors.com/blog. So, I've got a special shout out to my good buddy over there in Jacksonville, Florida. So he called me and we were talking about stains and dyes, and so I decided to go ahead and show a project that we did that we actually used an exterior based dye. So, the dyes are actually acetone base. You have the acetone here, then you take the dye, it's a powder. Usually, sometimes it's a liquid, then you pour it into here. You let it cook, we usually let it cook a few hours. Once it cooks, then you can spray it down just like you can an acid-based stain. So, we use an exterior base on the outside, an exterior dye on the outside because it's UV stable. This is an interior stain. I don't have a picture with me right now of an exterior dye that I can show you, but there's a good product out there. If you want to email me, just go onto our website at hollandfloors.com/blog, and I'll be happy to give you the company that we use for exterior dyes. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you this project we did where someone went over it with an interior based dye and it faded. And so we went back over the top of it with an exterior based dye, and we stained and we sealed it. So go ahead and come on, let's check it out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is that project. This actually used to be a brown leather color, but unfortunately after 2 years it faded because the contractor that did this used an interior dye. Now here's a picture of the patio. If you notice, we've already started staining it, but that actually had stain on it and it faded. And here's a walkway. We stained the middle, but the borders are real faded, so this hasn't even been stained fully yet, just to give you an idea. This was the sample that we ran for the homeowner. We went ahead and stained the borders, and then we stained the inside. Do you see the difference it makes? And here is the main floor. And this actually has been stained and sealed. The inside part has been sealed. And here is the finished product. It's all been sealed. It's all been stained and dyed with acetone-based dye. Beautiful look. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is an exterior acetone-based dye, which means it's UV stable. It's not going to fade after 2 years like the interior dye did on the outside, because that sun can fade those acetone dyes if you do not use the correct products. With decorative concrete, you've got to use the correct products for a good quality finish. For more information, go ahead and check us out at hollandfloors.com/blog. Thanks a lot.